Hi, everybody. I am shaking the bushes on the weather. I just slowed down from my run and I'm in Central Park and the sun is shining. I just have a sweatshirt on. It's like spring. Spring is here. I'm so excited. But wait, it's supposed to snow tomorrow. And not just any kind of snow. They're expecting a blizzard. A blizzard here in New York City. Maybe a foot of snow. That's crazy. I'm here feeling the sun, enjoying my run. So I'm going to keep going on my run because after this, I better go grocery shopping. A foot of snow. It's crazy.